Hi guys, I'm Irina. Today is 14th of March. 2 days passed after the horrible thunderstorm in Cairo. Some streets still look like this. They're really flooded till now. Even though government is trying to clean the streets, I saw a lot of cars today trying to remove water from the streets. Like in this street right now, police standing there, special cars are moving sand and pumping water out from the streets. So they're still trying to fix the problems. This is Sheikh Zayed. It's an area in Cairo. The streets were fine till I reached this place. It's really low and the puddle is so deep, so I actually got scared and decided to turn away. I didn't risk to go through the puddle. I'm sorry, I think it's too big and too deep. This is another swimming area for cars. It's under the bridge. It's Maruteya, under the bridge of the ring road to Madi. Also pretty deep puddle. But to be honest, not all streets are so bad. Look at this one. Yeah, it's a bit muddy and still there are some puddles, but you can find a place you can move on normally. So with the speed around 40 kilometers per hour, sometimes even 60, which is pretty fast for this kind of road. Oh, one more puddle and then it's okay. Look at this lorry. It's a one-way road. Some streets are really muddy. Today is pretty sunny, so I hope it will help all this mud and puddles to disappear faster. This is how Maruteya Street in Giza looks like today. This is street next to Sheikh Zayed. What a contrast! So clean, so dry. This street is on the way to pyramids next to Hadea al-Ahram. It's also very dry. It looks like there was no rain at all. You can see pyramids deep there. This is Pyramid Street. It's also pretty clean and dry. So as you see, not all places are flooded and dirty and muddy. So it's up to you. You can take a risk, try to go out, and maybe you will be lucky and on your way you will find all the streets clean like this one. Pyramid Street. I think God protects this street and puts umbrella above it. It's so dry and clean. I don't know how it's possible. I moved today around several areas in Giza and Sheikh Zayed, and I think Pyramid Street is one of the driest. That's it for today. See you soon. Bye.